gonna try and make me a new shelf to hold my hot sauces and spices and things like that. 53 inches. I don't need anything that long, that tall, but got a few different size of bottles. This one's 12-ounce bottle, and both of these are 6. This is your just standard 6-ounce hot sauce bottle. So these are 3 3/4. I'm not going to clean these up or do anything. They're just going to be just like that. Just need to figure out how long I want to make it. I'm going to put some wood pieces in the insides for some shelves, and I'll hang it up. It'll be good enough. I've got my 2 side pieces cut out here. I'm going to use this. This was a piece of red oak. Use this for my shelves. I didn't have anything else that was thin, that was rustic looking, so it doesn't bother me. All it needs to do is serve its purpose. So now I just got to figure out about how wide I want to make these. And how many I need. All I need is 4. Just need to cut these down. What are you jeezing about?
Where? I'm the one.
You want to do this?
How?
Just turn it on and sand it.
I don't want.
Push, there's a button on the front. I'm gonna burn these a little bit, darken them up some, trying to make them match the best I can. That way it's not just bright, shiny wood with that old wood. And I got some dark walnut stain I'll put on them. I got one piece done. I think it looks alright. Alright, these are all burnt. No, you can't help with this. Because I don't want it all over you. Or all over my table. Or all over the floor.
Ow, I just whacked my head.
This is dark walnut. So it ought to darken it up enough to match a little better.
Is the camera even facing you? No, I don't think it bears.
I think it is.
Okay, I got one now. I asked him something.
Well, here it is, it's done. Should be plenty of room for everything. I made two this height. This just go up against the wall so nothing can fall out the back of it, but that'll work. Nothing complicated. Just a few boards nailed together. I'll take a picture of it once I get it hung up and get it stocked. I'll take a picture of it.